This picture is a mess. Happened to be a print that was somehow laminated on a piece of granite. The edges have or are disintegrating and have pretty much lost all detail. You can see some portions right along here. You have some cracks and some spots and other things like that. I've already gone through this image and prepared it for the restoration process. And I'm going to deselect. Now we want to mask the dress. Let's jump back into quick mask mode. A shortcut is just to hit the Q key. And as you I think the dress went to here. And done with the shoes. Overall, we're going to do a separate shoe to separate one from the other. Deselect, quick mask, control or command click the shoes. Then we're going to paint this in here. It's a little too much off there. You want to get parts such as the flower and the dress and the head covering and of course the background. And from there we can start to rebuild the skin portions. Nice little or a rough selection around the bouquet area. Let's turn on our all channel so that we can start to build this bouquet channel. And we're going to subtract from the all channel the head cover, the dress, the shoes, the shoe, and the skin channels. Background color, hit delete. And then we're going to save this selection or this quick mask, this mask, just like we've done with previous. The difference is, you see the right corner is much lower than the left corner. See, and there's a little stray mask there. We'll try to clean this up. Slightly larger brush. Time to rebuild our little friend. Gonna make a new layer. Just wipe that in. What to do it? Let's see here. Yeah. I need to even out the entire background in the all we gotta do is add noise. Blur 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Now for those of us using Photoshop Elements, you're not going to have access to a lot of the commands that I show. Well, some of the commands that I showed. For example, when we're masking, there is no quick mask in Elements. However, there are selections, and basically it's the same thing.